You no longer need to search for the best deals by driving from store to store. You'll find the best deals on the items you want most, all for free, all in one place. At frugalbuys.com, use our shopping list function to make your list of discounted items as you browse the site and plan your shopping trips to get the best daily deals available. Frugal Buys only showcases your local merchants and their best discounts of the day. And when you send us your email address, you'll begin receiving email alerts on featured products and weekly deals. Frugal Buys. As a merchant, you can advertise your specials and discounts to shoppers in your area, and the cost is a fraction of traditional ad expenses. To advertise your best deals, send us a photo and brief description of the product you want to promote, along with the discount price and original price to be advertised. You can also advertise on our website, Frugal Buys, where shoppers go to find the best deals from local merchants and where merchants go to treat their customers to the best daily specials. Frugal Buys is all about you.